butter slime. So happy, and I made it. The color is pink. Three slimes with actually, yeah, three slimes with this clay inside. But it's not so much slimes I have because I just started and I had, no, I actually have four slimes actually because I had a fish upstairs in my room. So yeah, thank you for watching. This was just a quick thing because I just wanted